Damn it!
Hold on, we still got that truck over there? Oh, hell nah. You ain't taking that truck. Where's the box? Where'd you put the box? My controller is messed up, man. Oh, I can't even hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. You gotta move the truck over a little bit.